Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So, the no internet connection error is one of the most common messages in Amazon Music, and sometimes it appears even when you know you are connected to the internet. Maybe you are sitting right next to your router, but the app still insists there is no connection. So, as I told you, this can happen for several reasons: a temporary app glitch, a network setting, or even offline mode being accidentally enabled. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix the no internet connection issue in Amazon Music in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So we're gonna go and check if offline mode is enabled by going to Amazon Music and going to settings. Look for offline mode or stream only on Wi-Fi. If offline mode is on, toggle it off. This mode is designed to prevent streaming. It's useful for travel but can cause this error. You can also check your internet connection. Open a browser and try loading a website. If website load your connection is working, the issue is likely with the app. Also, if websites don't load, go and restart your router, check your network settings. Then you can toggle Wi-Fi or data off and on. Turn them off and back on. If you are on mobile data, also toggle the airplane mode on and off again. Try Amazon Music again. If it didn't work, you should go force close the app, restart the app and restart your phone. Then basically try to open it. This option clears temporary glitches that cause false no connection errors. As a last resort, we're gonna go and reinstall the app from zero, and that was it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.